still have SBA coming up or something.
Yeah.
The girl that can go and party with me later. Don't know if the SBA them and go on nice to party later to have some fun.
We can't do that.
Girl, stop going to look at your ear nice and something, put on something nice. You have to close them and you not wear them.
Yes, me have clothes and now wear them. Me hair nice, but me cannot go. Me have something to deal with it.
Girl, let your
This
hair
year
down.
come
It's too
first.
tucked up sometimes, sis.
You can't go on. Go out with a friend then. Me
No,
not
you know me not like the bag of friend business. I'm a sister, I want to go with you. Put on something nice, something good, man.
well, find a man and go with her. You alone go on because me not
Girl,
coming.
the man I work overtime tonight. Will you come with me, please?
Me can't come here something and deal with. Me SBA have to finish. And next week it due.
I say education is important, but 1 hour, 1 hour party with me, Brittany.
No. Me not gonna party. 1 hour and then party sweet. Me no want live. Me not do
It's
that.
boring stuff. You can't bother with you. I get
So
some
you
time
can't
to
bother.
think
Me no,
about
you
it.
can't bother with me.
Too boring, man. I get some time to think about it.
So you got life. Everybody have got fun.
I'm a call. Yes, but the door, man.
Oh, sis, come here. I'm different to something to you from.
What you want to talk about now? You never told me the fan, you know.
Want something,
You book thing in the fan.
want something come up at school, or opportunity, like, where can get to go overseas, in my class, right? Some did have to say if I would have want to join my class, or you could have get to know more about it, something, so you can get to go overseas. Yeah, no.
Girl, it's a girl class.
No,
Kill me,
because...
girl, stop. Girl, can't look for me and tell me about class.
But I want opportunity I get to go overseas, and I want to...
So girl, I can't always get visa. Girl, you know me stay a road my thing there. The streets is calling, baby. Don't you get the phone ringing? It is. Girl, me I go around and say me can't find a nice good man to love me after you know something. Cause them say I don't who you love, you know.
Look here,
look here.
You have to be independent nowadays. I can't depend on a man because a man will feel you if you never know that.
Yeah, but at least me have ambition and you know me have business mindset and so. Girl.
Business mindset, but I now put it to use.
Girl, you know me soon open up my area, my clothes store or something.
When? Where you gonna use that? Where you gonna use that open up here? Man money?
No, but
use your own money. Look at work.
I don't learn if I learn I can't use that in the street. I'm learning to keep a man too, so something have to work. Something have to work. I don't have a good education already. I'm alright with them.
Yeah, worse it
I'm
out.
comfortable with me. When I stay like you, I'm uncomfortable with you just want to grow.
Me not uncomfortable with America. I'm comfortable when I stop it a long time. Me not uncomfortable.
Girl, I'm alright. I have enough education. I'm gonna look at man. Because I'm gonna go on the road right now and book one top man or something. You know, I do book a top boy. I done it. That's so girl.
Yeah, I done
I'm gonna put on my car and wait and hear a girl. Girl, what kind of book?
Alright,
I'm gonna pick. Bye, sissy poo.
All road rat. Me I look nerd. Me stay in the yard.
Road bug.
Let me get it.
John, oh yeah, flash it up.
Hello.
Oh my God, you're looking good. Stop loving that here,
Why
man.
is that? Stop married with the stab.
Listen to no man, word man, I mean name. You know what I mean name?
What's your name?
Oh, they call me Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah, because my father name Ricky Jackson, on the man who own the plaza in the niggle town and the hotels, Coral Seas and them place. A nice hotel in name Golden Nugget now. You can go over there and relax. Per night, 10 grand and so.
Oh.
Yeah man, them places
okay.
good. And my father run it still, you know. We have money, you know, dollars, no matter how you see me jets, you know. Money did it.
You have money.
I like you, you know, but...
Man, money alone and everything. You have a good personality.
Of course, I have a... I'll tell you, my personality them are good. Like, background check. I'm not a thief. I'm not a gunman. I'm not a rapist. I'm not a beggar. I'm not a liar.
You sure you're not a liar?
No, man.
Most people tell lie. Even me myself tell look a lie, but I'm not tell no strong lie.
Everybody have to tell a little lie, yes, but...
So you know, just tell me say no lie. So I catch you?
No, listen, no, everybody have to tell a little lie. Because you know, sometimes pastor come a church, man, so they hear them a preach and tell about God that come. and God will come tomorrow. Which part him see God will come? God come every day. Every day God pass through, but some people don't know. When God come, God take when he take and gone.
They miss a call.
Right. So if you don't catch a call this time, you catch it tomorrow. If you don't catch it tomorrow, you catch it another time. God always comes through every day. So you see, every time I go to church and pass, I pray, but God is coming. God is coming for the earth. Which part, you know, sister, God pass much time? Me say, God had the human being, God backs him down enough time to tap the life on him.
And my name is Chosen, Mr. Jackson.
Chosen?
Nice to meet
like
you.
I'm choosing you to be my wife.
Are you single?
Well, in times like this, I'm single, yes, and I'm looking for a wife to cook me some nice dinner.
I can't cook, you know, so I know your work is so. I can't cook.
But by the right, by the truth, even God, you know, say a way to a man's stomach is cooking.
No, that's why you must can cook for yourself, so you have to know the way to your own stomach. But I need the way to your stomach, I need the way to your heart.
Well, there's enough people in my heart, you know, and to like truth, you know, I'm afraid to get again. I rather get to know you more first, because it's when they take up your heart, you people, all in do I put a knife in
No,
your
I just want you just give me it, so we can take the time out to get to learn each other and see, you know, if we can work
So may I ask
together.
you a question, so you single?
Of course, I'm single.
As in single.
I'm single. I don't have nobody to come bother you and bother you up and something. Single. I want one good man though. That is why I'm single though, because I don't want to settle. I'm not willing to settle.
Alright, I like this one a lot because in life like this, you have females, so they're single. Yes, when you go out them yard.
You can call me anytime, you can come to my yard anytime. As long as we're there, you can come anytime. But
as long as we're there,
as in, if we're that, as in me and you, when we reach on that level, if you're my man, you're free to come by, drop by anytime. You can have a key, anything. I don't have anything to hide.
I like this one a lot because you see, one time, you know, me tell you, one time one girl invite me in yard and when me knock and they cook the whole chicken, you know. One whole chicken and when we reach out, one of the quarter room, no one chop up to them. Come, time back. Come now, I can't be no woman chicken, you know. You want to.
I'm happy chop now. You see it in a spontaneous and I like that.
No man, happy chop now might drop and I reach a future. But you know, we know, cook a whole lot of chicken, you know, because nice and everything. I mean, I say, yes, the future, this, I mean, fix it up now, with every spice we could have find in the store.
Yeah.
Neat up it, look like this, look like that. And curry it up on the tongue.
Yeah.
And put in there, make it go and bake.
Yeah.
So it be nice and smelly, man. And me have a teeth off piece of the leg.
Yeah.
So it smell good.
Good job.
I'm gonna wrap up it nice when it cool down, you know, man, as I give with a bottle of champagne. And go at the girl doorway and me knock so. Me all here, I hold that and make gun crank up.
Jaja.
You know what I mean?
See the road that me try to go, what go on?
Me not even know which bad boy I'm going to go to, but me, I fought. You say you see him go run, and you can't see him run, you can't see him run.
No, son, wouldn't do them something, man.
You can't see him run. And when we reach our whole man lock me drop down in there so. The fear.
Oh, God.
Never,
You
so
really
that,
hear that?
me not like one woman here.
No.
So if that can happen.
No, I just have my sister alone up there.
Oh,
my
good.
sister goes to school, she in a college and something, she study. Yeah, my sister goes to school, but we don't have nobody.
And one thing with them, I road are busy doing it. People
Very,
don't
very
work.
busy.
Some of them, they not want to go down
They
there.
work, do Jackson, you work.
Alright, take me number.
Before I give my number, I want if I work as me work, I want one man, and we can support each other.
You know what about that, mama? Just take me number. 363 69
Me remember, I have good memory. 36369
16.
3636916 Jackson, I got you.
Yeah, man.
3636916
You know your area code, 876.
876.
Alright,
I'll give you
later.
a call and we take it from there.
Okay, sexy. Waggy, let me see. Waggy. Lord of God. Rasta don't look at me, woman, you know.
Yeah, me done tell you, come back home.
I can't never sleep on the book there.
No, you me there away plan. Same somebody that talk to you about when time I did leave out about his school and his class and it's about overseas.
Okay, you come back with that again, Brittany?
And about you again, remember saying no. Remember say them alright. Remember say generation.
Because
remember saying something now with family, right? Like money passed down from generation to generation.
Money nice family, yes.
Right? You know, say if you have education for that, right?
Mm-hmm.
In order to get the money. You don't want it?
But Brittany, this is I don't have no education. One more you want to try. Boy.
You don't understand.
Brittany,
you don't understand.
I understand the money part. When I tell you earlier, so I can't find a rich man to give me money. I'm nice and look good. Man, love me.
You come and chat about
me not no families. Me not no family sorry for me. You are bright one. Stick to your book. Then me stick to the man taking.
Yeah.
And the man hustling. Me I tell her that now I work with my sister girl. Me can't read that right.
It's best you take a family money more than take my money. Because man, it's up in nice here, man. Give us what we do say me now, mother say.
When you stop, girl, you don't know what I'm going. But just go on the road. Me tell you what.
Yeah, rich man. You every day.
But so lucky, you know, that come down in my family. So, but lucky.
Every day you come and chat, boy, you have money. You
Me
still have
meet a man. Stop.
Your man don't buy you one bicycle for ride. Go look for them or what.
So no man buy me a car. Remember good. You only to see it.
Only if you see.
No man not buy me one car.
When me get the family money, we pass on from generation to generation. You go see it. You go walk for the time.
Yeah, I'm happy for you. But the brain part, like the bookwork part, is just not for me, sis. It's for you. That's not my thing.
What do you mean enough for you?
It's
You're
just
not trying.
for me. But anyways, girl, let me meet the rich man. No, I'm cuss girl. No, I'm cuss girl. I'm more like girl.
Yeah, man.
Girl, I meet a nice man.
Every day you meet nice
No,
man.
I'm trying to meet girl.
And next day you and them left.
No, girl, someone I'm not going away.
He's not gonna let you
Because I'm like him for food to the girl I talk to him, live him last words.
You hear that before?
Boy, dumb struck. Brittany, look for me, I talk to your girl. The man father own Ricky Jackson Plaza. Hotel of the beach, what you mean? I reach out on the girl, rich. This girl don't know what.
You reach out on the girl and still
I'm Ricky Jackson's son. I'm finna walk foot girl, big old beam.
Me not believe you.
Put up my foot. God.
Me not believe you because every day you come and chat with a rich man.
When the money is shine for me, I believe my Brittany. I said the boy nice.
When time I see it, me we believe it. But you know, me can't believe nothing what you say.
Looking girl, me I tell her so you can't say boy like me. You have a little rating to me so.
Have a little rating to you. But that's what I tell you, I only have put on.
No,
I make level.
Girl, me I tell her so the man with me on a different level, girl. Me can't see. You
just meet him and you meet him and read a
because I can feel it and I can tell I could read his energy.
Read the energy?
Yes.
Hello, man full of sweet mouth, you hear?
I'm not sweet mouth.
Man, you make a feel like say they don't want you, they don't want you. A man that. Remember me tell you.
The boy want me and I'm not being delusional.
The boy want you?
Yeah, want me, wantable. Just like how your mind, you can learn things, your mind learnable. Me wantable. The boy want me. And I'm start spending dirty money for me, I go see it.
When time I see it, you see everything good still.
Boy want me.
One day thing.
But tell you know, and that's the thing too. You hear them say, I know who love you, you know? I'm sorry, I know who you love and who love you. And I can see it. So that boy there.
So you're still not happy in relationship?
No, I'm not unhappy when I spend money for me. I can't happy when I can't buy everything I want. I can go back to school if I want, what you mean? I'm happy with you.
All you care about the money, yeah, man. No, but then I'm better say nothing.
Brittany, yeah, piss me off, Brittany. Study. Yeah, Brittany.
Are you to study?
Yeah, you don't talk for you. Brittany. But tell a man like me, why you don't get more?
Alright.
Why you don't get this?
Alright, come on, alright.
A rich man like me. What?
Look here, alright, come on, my class.
Me don't mind it.
Look here, come on, my class. When I get through with that, they'll go overseas. I can't find a rich man overseas then.
Sis knows this like me, I tell you. Me not like the school and the heap of studying.
But me don't want if me go get that.
Sis even like me too ignorant free, but that me I tell you, show you.
Me don't want if me go get through with that, if you go overseas, me left you out here and then if you go take my money, man want to kill you.
Man now want to try to kill me right now. You don't even know them man the thing dance, them man the thing set different. Them man they can't get me a visa.
So when you go man them back.
Them me I tell them I know but I know the people that make I know them thing come down. Girl, me I tell you, me can't get all visa them visa like me. Me can't just go blow and flip my finger on a visa. Yeah, me can't get visa for you too.
Flip a finger and make it go on for you.
No go find no work.
No make it go on for make it go on for you. I want to work my honest spread. I want a man money. Can't talk to you. Tall. Jesus, correct, God. Call this on. Hello?
Hello, wonderful, good day.
Electrician, this right?
Yes, this is the JPS company. How can I assist you, please?
Current just gone over me yard. I'm gonna like if you can come fix it for me, please. You know we are talked, right?
Yeah, you sound like one of my regular customers. Is this Brett?
Yes, Brett.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. What do you say is going on?
Current it just chip out like current gone or something.
Oh. So I'll come over. When do you want me to come over and come check it out?
But I like if I could have come now because I really like the hotness and stuff. And I would like to turn on the fan also.
Okay, I'm gonna come over and take you out the hotness so you can cool down and be cool, okay?
Okay.
Yes, I'm on my way.
Alright.
Bye bye for now.
Who's somebody I talk to? Gosh.
Yes, hello?
Oh, hello.
Please, dark man.
No, I just come out here and
I got to get this taken care of.
then me see the lights start blinking and then me see the cut out and then
This is the switch, right?
yes.
Okay. Where's the breaker?
See right over there, so.
I know. Bam. Alright, I can't see that come from. I can see that the switch is from here. Quick, fix that, man. Quick time. Quick time.
So you're going so far?
That's simple, but just find out maths, man. That's simple one sheet that, man, but you get the glasses in. This if you don't get shock or something, you know? Put on my glasses and get the thing sorted out. The real way, is he pretty?
Really, alright.
See that? I just two things we touch there, so because I say here's a glitch and the next part kind of rub. So once you just switch that this and put on that.
Which one of them switch? Which one of them? The one where the bottom mark?
The lower one to your left right corner. Right there, so.
Left right corner.
I saw them set up the saki them, the lower one to the left right corner. You have to just set up. And set it up and this is kind of have one like a shaking knife. You have to just rope straps here and don't wait. You know that? Look. No problem. Okay. Kind of done right now.
Alright then, so how much?
10,000.
What?
10,000.
You just got up to some of this and just flip it.
Do you know how much to put on these glasses and work? Girl, don't even go there. 10,000. I could have get shot if I don't have my protector.
I can't 10,000. I'm not pay that.
You know how much my protector? Look at this. This make current can't shock you. Yeah. And this make you see through the current wire them and all that. You know how much money for them or something here? Don't even go there. 10,000. Do you know that this was 15,000 and I even drop it to 10? 10,000. I came all the way here. What's wrong with you? Show this take Queen phone to him. Cheap people.
Here, 10,000. So I come and grab from me like that. So look here. Me not call about from over here, you know.
It's 15. If I don't have my equipment, I could get shot. I could
So you come and grab money like that. Don't do that.
You're being dirty. You're being rude.
You have to be 10 grand. Me give you 10 grand. What your problem?
It was 15 and I cut it down and you're still being
No,
dirty.
I'm 10 grand. Ask me for first. I never say 15.
Listen. Next time you're in dark, you know how much money to take care of
Next
dark?
time, you won't be. Next time, you come and call about.
You think this money is for me?
And a food then.
This is for the company.
Company.
Okay?
Company.
If it was for me, I'd throw it back in your face. Be cool.
Then throw it back in my face then.
Listen. Relax.
Are you for relax?
Be cool.
Don't argue me in my house, please. Go on.
No, I would never do that.
Sir, go on.
I would never do that.
Sir, bye.
Have a good day.
Next time I make a phone call, me no want them send you.
The slippers, they're nice though.
Make them stay.
Alright.
May take me and give you one in your face too.
What are with that?
None of that. Or you too. Come to school to feel like you're afraid that you don't do it outside. Or 10 grand.
Ready? Nice.
Right.
Oi, before I walk past me like you don't know me.
Well, I'm going to such a mechanic.
Hey, you have 5 grand to give me.
5 grand for?
Because me come out here to study and as me sit down, me see light start blink and light gone. So me call the person to come fix the light and a 10 grand in charge me. Nobody go touch two look a thing and chat about right, left corner, whatsoever.
Girl, I'm gonna start the breaker they do and turn on. Why like that? The flicker?
It turn on, it like the come out and the light it turn on already. One time I feel like say I blow but
So it started flickering?
I don't know if it's about 10 grand man. A 10 grand man charge me that me a chat but me not chat but want me to the light to fix already.
So yeah, say you want me to give money outside?
Yeah, if you go call one of your man then we just say have money and make them give 5 grand to give me back. I mean when I hear say you don't have no money.
I just get 100 grand and give money. They pay I can't take me to forward so. Later I check you. Me give
Go and get the 100
me just
grand,
give back the 10 grand. No, me just give back the 10 grand. Me can't take me.
Don't come post for me,
You better to say I pick for me and this man something.
Not because
I have anything against you studying, but studying is not for me. I have me through me down and take the something come out of class. Stop it.
Not because I have man. That simple means say if you come and rub it on my face like that. You have a me not have. You not have to rub it on my face like that. Yeah, man can't give money. Me not no man to give
No, I call my man because you pass the place with me.
Me not pass the place. Me say let you with 5 grand up front with the money I go down.
I ain't afraid to shut up because they piss me off now because through the man
Hello.
you take be a book. Hello?
What names?
Me there, what Mary?
Yeah, you there? Cool out in the AC.
You in the Pi Hotel?
Yeah, I'm going to do some documents. I want my problem, you know.
Damn, I want to do some stuff, baby.
For money?
Some stuff come up here, I want to do some stuff, you know, I always have to get stuff done or whatever.
What you call money? I call 2,000?
2,000 US, yes.
No, man. It is a fire there that I'm a Jamaican.
$2,000?
Yeah, Jamaican.
100,000. 100,000 Jamaican or so, babe. You don't catch cold?
Hold on.
You catch cold coronavirus?
Hold on. No, man.
But she a laugh about. Just a girl, yeah.
You want to reach you?
No.
Big with.
No,
Give
but
me
yeah.
have money, dog. Baby have money, don't.
Yeah, me have money, but the money, you know what?
Babe, more $100,000. Pay some bills on the supermarket and see like gone. Me have to pay current bill. Me and my sister.
How much I bill?
A bill come up to $50,000 plus no more and $20,000 for go buy makeup and buy some stuff supermarket.
Alright, yeah, you know, so we have 5 grand for my card, you know, but transfer it to you.
If lie was a person, if you knew that they tap
5 grand, yeah?
$5,000?
But you have coffee, you know. You know what, some of that still, you know.
Some more.
Some of the good old apple where Adam never do it Adam way eat it, but we not eat it.
So don't ask if you're hungry, but anyways.
How y'all laugh? Why y'all laugh? How would I say to you? Eh? How I listen to the phone make you laugh?
No, babe, it's just that, you know, sometimes you be so funny. Like, alright, my son come link you.
You know what
I'm
y'all
from extra zero find there.
We feel like man I text in the car, we meet me at your food.
No, you know, they just said I send a message on something that you hear about and Facebook notification and stuff. But for one X0 pound $5,000 a year.
I want me to find that out. The money when we get no release yet.
But no, your name bigger road, so borrow I look at change how on your friend because them money.
No, I don't borrow. I tell you already. I don't beg and I don't borrow. And I don't lie. I tell you the truth.
Yeah, you come free, but when you start out, then they will need a piece of it.
Yeah, me I want to be blue pills to me. I wait for it to make it get too hard.
What you say?
Yeah, man.
Blue pill?
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
I find that you, man. You have to work it till it's done.
What do you mean by that? I think you love me or something?
I love you, baby. I love you. I was just overreacting.
Yeah, but come on, 5 1 on the girl.
What do you mean by that, girl?
I Oh, your sister did it.
Alright, babe, later. Alright, babe.
Alright, love you.
Love you too, babe. My man love me.
Okay.
Babe.
She
Alright,
jealous,
babe.
yeah?
Very jealous, babe.
You
Alright.
can't
Yeah.
talk about it, can't show you.
Not show me. Treat me good.
That come like a sell your body because you chat about you man say you might take blue pill for your feel for $5 no sir. As so much work you have to go to for that $5 there.
Girl, first of all, the man say more give me $500,000, but for no make
The man never tell you that, and that me hear on the phone. Me never hear that.
Girl, the man talk, what was a zero there, but because him go low on that tone, and I hear what man say, there were other zeros that was added to it. A girl, a fool. Girl, I laugh at me. Girl, I tell me thing for joke.
Me not take a thing for joke.
The man love me. The man say him kind of in a little difficulty now, but he won't give me a small change. I'm gonna go for the small change and give you money.
One thing.
And then when him get the big money, of course.
But what you have to go work night? Yeah, me tapping eyes.
You know, but what kind of work?
If you go work day and night for the
Make sure
$5
that you work day and night and study and come out with something good to mommy can proud of you. Don't worry about me.
At least you're proud of but you're not gonna proud of you if you sell
You
your
know,
body if you get.
girl, me I sell my body, girl.
Obviously.
Girl, me can sell this.
Then how are you? Yeah, come on, okay, I'm gonna give the man the coat.
Me take short and give.
For $5
You buy
$5
no, you buy your book them done.
You say
you have your book them done.
You say a man rich
Okay.
and a $5 man give for your push.
Brittany, I have my phone, I buy your phone and I have it with me done.
But a push no worth more than $5.
No, but a man can't. No boy can buy this because he can't carry it with him. No.
See, them man that put a raise him when they tell him about
Girl, they go back on the road. No.
that's the show say you push. You push no good.
Him.
You push no good man.
So, and this is
I know this what I true because you ask him man to put a like 0 and the man put him money.
the man know I say one thing, see if him have money and know him have money, but sometimes people have the people.
He have you know what give man. He want good stuff, he must get
But the man probably a test me, girl.
the man want good stuff, so he must get up front with good money or good on in a hole. Simple.
Girl, don't worry about me and my goodness.
Go with the goodness.
What gonna go to him, he can go to somebody else. Don't worry yourself.
What we can go to somebody else to go
Make
on.
sure say you find a husband.
Don't worry yourself about
Make sure
that.
say you find a husband. You don't worry about me.
Me not fling my body out before me find
You
my
can't think
husband.
my body out about either Brittany or Grace.
But me now we probably find my man. So what? Me not want you any girl because you fling your body all about. Me
And
not
that's why
want
I'm not argument because I say it's still too judgmental.
I'm not judgmental.
Judgmental, come in and judge the book them and look why they broke your heart the other day when they want you and he make you a virgin say bye.
Girl, bye. Look here. Me tapping eyes, yeah, man. At least one boy broke me heart, but how much buck yours? Girl, don't talk to me, here. Don't talk to me.
Whatever, man.
That can't hurt me. That can't jerk me. Don't do it. Feisty. Think about the heart, but I'm gonna put a problem upon me. Don't do it. Feisty.
One minute, come out, son. Come out, son, man. Yeah, Shelly.
Bye.
So you look good.
Thank you.
Show him tobacco.
Okay, thank you.
You can't buy one.
Pepsi.
Like I make you so sexy. You look like them sexy kangaroo. You ever see them sexy kangaroo what them have in a repeat them house? So you look. Fear reindeer and something.
Thank you. What's your name? I didn't get your name.
You know, but you smell sweet. That you remember me our name to tell her. Yes, you want to know my name?
Yes.
You can top of the link, you see?
Okay.
We have all the link them around here. Get all them pretty chain now. Sexy something, you know?
Okay, cool.
Just want to know if we can get to know you more.
How you want to get to know me? You want to know my name?
My name alone, I want to know. I want to know everything. I want to know your name, your foot size, your panty size, breast size, every type of size.
My name is Chosen, by the way.
Chosen, wow.
Around here?
Wow, Chosen. Right now today name taken. Right now I want to be mine. Can't touch her?
No. Not yet. Maybe if you work hard enough.
Nah, man, free, man. Yeah, man, I come from around here, man. And I live on Panley now and the stuff.
I'm Mr. Captain, you're single?
You single?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm single right now, you know. Just come out of a relationship.
Interesting. Just come out of a relationship.
I look for a minute.
Oh, like mosquito or something bite you. I don't know.
Mosquito can't bite man, no mosquito in my house, man. You know, say something run for a minute in my house.
Cockroach. That is mistake.
Cockroach can't come in my house. You're right.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to figure out which insect could do that type of damage.
A bees bite me on my neck.
Bees?
Yeah.
Bees sting?
Your friends see me some money in a baby. Look.
I'm not like I look clean. I'm like I look good. Like I'm my type of guy. I'm not like but.
I want to man park up the machine on the other side garage.
But
get me thing wash and clean. No man, which icky man? How are you man? You think if I icky me for every tell us icky? First thing no girl can put no icky for me. Mad.
Everything you saying, I say you're single. I am single too. So what does that mean for you?
Very pretty and that one you talk about.
Let me treat it. Let me get you last thing for this in the area.
Treat it then?
Oh, treat it.
Look like you need
girls and a boy.
And you look like you have one treat it then?
Yeah, all three kids. All of them natural birds. Yeah.
Treat angel I guess? So then me and Charlie, like we have treat angel. Be my angel too.
So you get kids?
Me? Yeah man, we get 2 kids man. How are you man? Superstar, one for the left, one for the right. How are you? One Joshua, one David, and what like a fully lynch breed.
Alright, Mr. Toppling.
And the seed. Alright, so what are you doing idea?
I'm actually going to visit a friend around the corner.
What's your friend name?
Where are you going?
Can't get the number.
I don't have a phone right now.
Just tell me a number, man. I don't want your phone right now. I don't know more. There you go.
So you plan on taking me on a date or something? That's why you're asking
Whole of that check out already, babes, man. How are you, man? I'm a set up link in and all. I link them in pocket in a baby. Don't be nervous, man. I'm around the place, man.
Okay, so something. Yeah, you know, I don't know if that's okay. So I'm just going to give you the chance because they say everybody deserves a chance. But in my book, not everybody deserves a chance, but the guy that I do like.
In your book, make a response for your book. Every page, don't mind him depend that.
I'm going to tear out the rest of the page then.
I would demand no page not tear up. I say every page, I mind him at depend that. Top of the link. Make a something quaint. Right now, go tell me no man, right now I have business to go deal with. No one.
44.
44.
499.
499.
5.
Alright, that's it. Chosen, right?
Yes, I'm chosen.
Taken today.
Can you change my name?
Take care of yourself here.
I'm so happy. Nice to meet you.
Alright, baby. I know you met me there.
You met me now.
What? Come on, baby.
Bye. Jackson.
Oh, you're really sure. Yeah, I want to go in and check out. What's going on? Where's that going on?
I don't see the one going on.
What? What?
I'm just going to ask something to monster, so it's really.
Oh.
So how's the day going on? Something different?
Yeah, we just have to run to the office because she had said, see, I have a pen there, we have to write up some report, you know? But so I said I want to do different.
As we tell up on the phone, we want a little fun to start out some stuff.
I say I want 50G. Because we tell her 5, I have to put 1 more 0 upon it.
Yeah, because.
But I want problem with you, but the thing is, the money not come over upon the car, so I only have 5,000 up of it out. You understand?
Yeah, man.
We don't have a problem that's money for you. Because you deserve money.
Yeah.
But you see, I told you before, I'm not a liar. I don't like tell lies. I would tell you a story than tell a lie. You understand? Good. So, let's see how you know. Because
so when you get the money, I start on the account or whatever, because I really want the money to do.
You don't want to move that money, 5 grand can must do what you want right now.
It's 5 grand can, you know 5 grand can, look how long I spend money from before my band. 5 grand can do nothing.
Do you know what 5 grand can do right now? That can
my ear.
You can buy Well, you can't really do not much, but
Exactly my point. You can barely think of something you can do. But Mr.
you can buy a couple of tin mackerel and some rice, or you can
buy me a
buy.
lunch. You can buy me a lunch, but you can't get more than that.
So you can buy lunch, you can cook.
I can run a home with it, so I'm thinking about to go back home today. But you know you can't do much. So you have to go to start out and make a nice piece of food.
Like,
Oh, miss you, do I know? I really miss you. Yeah,
it's ready to start. I'm trying to find, I'm good still, so that we'll rather.
No.
No, me pull out, man.
No.
Listen. I will pull out.
No.
When you get 30 minutes, they pull out and go back and install again. I mean, run my boat, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Right, so when the engine has feel like, burn up, we start the motor and cool down a little, you know? And then when you feel like everything gone back already and gone up again, we start it over.
But you know, if you don't have a life raft on top of the boat, can't go and see.
No way more life raft, if you drown, man. What we are talking about?
You have to wrap it up because if you don't prepare for go on the mission,
You know, if you tell everything come with that, no, if I pick the cup, no problem to me because I dropped some name.
yeah, I know, but we just start getting on a certain level, we just want to keep it flowing, we just want to really,
No, man, I don't want this, I don't flow nothing.
Babe, yeah, I'm kind of condom. As a matter of fact, I'm looking back, I must say.
No, listen.
Leave it to the sick. Wake up, man. You're tired to wake up.
Oh, the one that know what I tell you, say.
Wake up, man.
Yeah, God, the body there, bad.
Oh, no. I say you love it so.
You broke your seal record, man. God.
Tired, man. Take your time, man. Get up. Come and help you.
You know, say, no girl, no, come so quick, man. Oh, God. Why you mean two bad wives? I hate that.
Yeah, I know you like that little style, that little new style. You know, like me, see that style for you.
Oh, God, I'm mercy. Boy.
But I really like it, because I'm really
Yeah, man.
I love you, I like you, I love you, I have a lot of love for you. I'm wife, I just continue to treat me with said way.
Yeah, man. I'm thinking about how you got them style there. Well, I never see woman play kung fu in a bed, man. No.
My uncle didn't want to kung fu master, so I learned a couple moves on him, you know?
I couldn't hold him, I have to let it go, man. I have to just let it go in there, so shh.
Yeah, girl bad like that.
So you know, if you can't breathe, right?
Yeah, my must get breathing system active.
Make sure.
Well active.
Because you see, my youth is well strong. My youth move fast in a life. I'm like that. And he look like you know no other man. He look like you're born as a virgin. And
No. You know, say you and other guy, I tell you about my own talk to me, say me and the guy that they find in school and me anyway set the break up.
You're fine.
Yeah, before me meet you, no, baby, can't somebody else but you.
No, but it still look like you're a virgin. Same way, man. You tell them what. Oh God. No wonder what.
Yeah, I didn't have a nice little piece of rush. You get up and sleep right after. I'm gonna notice something though. Tell me something. Where you come?
Which part you come? I don't buy my bed. You see this shit there? You know it's time. That's why I make you lay down this until everything settle and dilute.
You really love for sure?
Yeah, man. It's a black me for a woman. You know, you say I broke, you see the record. I force one woman to collect my semen so quick.
Great.
You know,
So you have plans for me? You have big plans for me and something there?
yeah, man.
You want to keep this a baby?
Yeah, man. Pick me easy for mine. Like, how we make it look like you have to mine.
You sure?
Yeah.
This is what you want?
This is not overseas where we can walk on people property and pick banana active. This is Jamaica. We can crush banana butter. We can make little sugar and water.
If you're sure this is what you want, I will take care of Pitney and be a great dad and all of that. I don't have a problem, but if you know you really don't want this child, just let me know.
No, my child, man. You ever mash your man, you think I potato you mash? Ah, whoa. And the same thing going on, I said, it's a body. You know, the body is a big car.
Yeah, because we see how boy, we can still see have a lot of fun or something.
Because every car and I call you, so if you make a man go in and you go, no.
No, I'm not.
The mark is spot.
It's all yours, baby.
Okay. Cause you me. I see why some.
All yours,
I see why man beat the one over this.
Yeah, all of that.
I want to have a good woman and have a good couscous. Well, anyway, the money now, I'll get the 5 grand and then in the future I'll give you the 45, you know? If you give me the
in the near future.
Yeah, man, near future I could have run the car. But anyway, you know, but I'll go back half and say I have to go. Now I don't know if you can transfer it to?
Yeah.
Alright, get ready.
I'll send you the info.
Yeah, get ready, hold on.
Alright.
Back up the door, yeah, what you do?
Alright, then later. Me call you when we reach them.
Look how I take care of my money come, girl.
So me can't go into Brittany.
See me, I tell you the house, people come out to some sit down. Come,
We can't in the hot
pass up
man.
my money, pass up my money. Come.
Girl, so once a girl, me get friends and
No, I want it. No, more want it. Because when the man did come, me never did tell the man, say, give me a little time. No. Come with the money right now, I want
you at
it.
least call me and say something to me, you know, before you give the man the money, say no have it. Me
Look
know
here, now,
have
you
it.
know, argument with me, give me the money right now. Come now, with you here. Pass the money. You see, I go link your man. Yeah, your man work or what too. I'm sure. So you get the 5 grand. What you do with it? Take care and buy food and yam before you reach her.
Girl, me buy something, you know, when I straight for you. Me a call, make a phone call. Come on.
Every minute you want to make phone calls.
So you want me to call until me get the money, girl?
Next side.
The phone I ring, just relax. You guys so answer phone, just relax.
No ambition at all.
I have ambition.
You know, have none.
That's why they get to me soon.
Because you go up a man, you just want to go work out, the little sell, and the man no gain no.
Me tell you some man work out?
Obviously, say that you go do. Obviously, because when the man call on the phone, the man say, oh, me go take blue pill and work on phone because to get too hard, something like that.
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Look how long me talk to you. I want to hear so much noise in your background. Why pray? What go on?
So my sister there arguing something, no, where you go? You know what to say, I think about you?
So somebody here run for my mind same way.
Yeah, I don't know, something boy have a look about still, I don't know. I just can't stop thinking about it from my make it just like, you know?
Where's the buzz of me, you know? Me put the bean a buzz now. What me I say?
Yeah, oh, buzzy.
Let's calm myself. Why pray? Why you leave?
Yeah, no, not really. I know I'm just favor me, I want to ask you. I mean, I like after favors about me, like, you know, I'm really not want difficulty right now.
How you put the F in a flavor in a man? What do you man any flavor you want, any color, any type, any taste? Whatever you say. Talk to me.
Yeah, so you want to say, well, I'm going to 50 grand to make up and do something.
50 grand? Sure. The bigger thing there, some change that. Some change that, man. What do you man change the?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that, man. Tell her why pray. See? Check my schedule out. Watch your badness. Let's call me tomorrow. By, I think around 7:30 day time. Do you see pray?
Yeah.
I want
I
you
really,
free.
really appreciate that. You know?
I just send them my address so you can't last. I don't care, sister down me hard, you know. You still have talk up for a month.
Hello, sir, me address you right now. Hello.
Address me and your sister right now.
No.
Say don't
Tell
address-
a man to know any limit, you know.
address me and come down there. And you see who get address it.
So, sweet boy, I'm patient, man. I'm
You know,
sister,
sir?
you know, man. I don't get so long all the time, but you cool. You get to like her over time.
No one a man get to like me. No need to waste man.
Like, get bright, girl, don't pass a place to make me meet with the nice, decent, man. I can't do that, girl.
Decent man way.
Tell her watch her, man. Come on, have to cut down your money, you know.
Me no know your man from Adam. Stand if you don't call me name in your mouth. But don't bring your sister down. She sister this she want to come down in your yard. So I don't start with me here.
Tell her to calm down, because we don't work with Adams. Tell her where Iraq will come from.
Yeah, my sister and I, two different personalities. She more like
Yeah,
the
but
fire
you have a right.
side, and
But you
I'm
have a
more
right.
like the calm side.
Yeah, just tell her, say, when that shit talk, I want to talk about the man who Saddam, because Iraq will work with. You see, pray.
Yeah, no care no
Watch it,
She's young, you know, so I made all I want, so she can
Watch it,
be immature. Right.
Later, yeah, man, because I know she'll kill me.
So you say you send me the address?
Yeah, man, what's the address, man? I watch it pretty.
And I can pick it up tomorrow.
Just take 250 out there, man, and just buy her one bull and one bag just save for you. See badness.
Me tell the man to my up.
Alright, dear. Take care.
Me here, she said thanks in her back door.
Yeah, she said she's really grateful.
Me here,
Alright, take care now. See you soon.
Keep it up.
Alright, and thank you so much.
Yeah.
Alright.
You know, see, with this anyone in your family, then fit for man.
Girl, really, girl.
You go thinking, man, for the phone. Come on,
No,
chat
that's
about
what
it,
it's 3-4. That's what
I can't
it's
chat about
man when you call it there. You dirty man when I do nothing for you.
Look here.
Wait, because
Do not say anything to me. I'll make sure someone get me 5
you
grand.
me I give you 10 grand, make you shut up.
Me no want a 10 grand.
No, me I give you 10 grand.
Want me honest money. Me no want no money from you. For you could not stinking waste man where you get money from. Girl, don't start me from
My own finance is a witchy girl, is a bad nice sister. Where? You get your money and me I get with tax. Where y'all? Right. What a road can make nobody else know. Sister.
You go on sister, me where money there.
Think what you honest with this, Mr. Brittany?
I know how me I deal with
If
them.
I'm never to your bright time, it's like you feel like
I will how you feel yourself, me have to deal with a certain way. We how you treat yourself, so me have to deal with you.
How I treat myself?
Like so, not about say a word. Just up from
No, Brittany, try this off for me, Brittany. Cause we all have forgot it. Try this off for
Me
me.
not this for you. The truth is the truth, and truth will always be the truth. The truth hurts, and I know that. You don't have to tell me.
And the 5 grand still a once over?
So that must be 5 grand me I want to over. Could have what then?
Girl, me I got go.
If I give me money, we good.
Me go pick up your money. After today, no bar, not the farm, no beg, me not even want sweet me now. But you
Me no.
mean girl, you purpose.
Are you always a come to me come borrow things? Me no borrow things for you. Know some one independent baby love. Don't do it.
You know, so I kind of feel like, mommy kind of right, it's like, you have to be one jacket. Is it a mere jacket or you, but what are we do? Something that fit, brother.
It's jacket,
You
you
can't
have to
be
be
you and your sister, that's how you are going.
Because I don't know nobody in their family stay like you. You know where you get this at.
I don't know nobody will stay like you either. Your worst sister, me, I get too corrupt, brother. Me, I give you 5 grand, you love me. Tell me, I give you a thing,
Oh, me and worst sister
and
can
you
make
can't
an
eat
shoot.
it. You can't eat the next time, and me, I give you butterfly, eat it with your candles, get too corrupt.
Girl, me tell us say 5, but me no want 10.
10 grand,
Five.
I give you.
Me no want 10 grand. Me take care of 5. Hello.
Brittany,
You want the other 5 and you say clean.
and clean what?
You know if you clean with it. Oh. Girl, go on. Just come with the money and you can't come give me. I will let it too long. Now because you're older than me, that means you can't come bully me. Don't do it. Bully for nobody. Kiss some teeth, yeah.
Something happening like man. Let's say look baby almost first I think what the fuck.
That no man stop talk about that, man. This is the place. See, pray. Watch you pray. See, phone care inside. You know, say, hold it for money, me again. You know, yard man, stay. You can't come here yourself, you just cash and go on. So you have to perform, and you have to perform good.
You're not entertainer.
You never tell up on your phone. But know this, look, this a building here, and a non-pram push thing. You know what I'm saying? And a non-pram push thing. So nobody feel like, yeah, come get money in your hands and just go back. So no, baby, things don't work, so.
So you know better, so you're going so.
That me talk about somewhere you're going, you know what I'm saying? To perform good. Over here,
So
so.
my clothes, you're buying new ones.
You know, so me can do it thing good, you see me? So you can get all the money and you can tip it on it.
But you're
So you
supposed
free.
to more to take care of me. Because you see, my time for me to, you know, something boy. I feel like you're on good man and you can go far.
Until man far away. So what you free? Oh, go in now. See?
You can't go on so bad.
Body deaf.
Just so you're talented.
What do you man? I always say talent in me, put it in a talent in a baby. I want you.
You make this shit, no.
Make sure you don't waste the money, you know.
embrace the money and I have ambition.
Right, I
Like,
remember.
I have to buy important things and I tell them, oh, my sister, the look at change.
I remember you say a little regret check him out, sister. I must buy her a bowl out of it and a bag plus.
Oh, God, you have to buy one but I think you can't leave my sister son
And
and
if she
sister.
go on like she too feisty, nothing.
No.
I can let them dry. Every time.
You soon get to like Britney and she don't know what Britney.
Listen me.
Britney's too bright. It's education sense in her head.
Listen. That is speech up on your phone and they make chatting, they make chatting. So I don't get to get.
Britney just ignorant. I
Ignorant.
get to get a bright girl, you know? I got a bright girl come out and get to make her a bright.
What is this
I
sister
bright this
picture?
one night
Is this the
family.
picture?
I'm a sister, look a sister. I bright this one night family right now.
So she prefer different friends, sir.
Alright, because, alright, here's what.
I wish she do hungry sometime.
No, how parents raise me, them raise me with stuff, but me, you know, even the school thing, them take them something serious.
She don't look like she is.
But me,
She
no.
sound like she born big to how she chat and go like she know
me
everything.
just get unruly. And you know the streets are really, but she in the book thing serious. So my mother and father come and she just in her head, man, all up in her head.
Question. She piss bed. Copy boy piss bed. Go on, say face thing and sit in.
Jesus.
She piss bed.
You regular me and I kick off. Regular me and I kick off up there. But I'm not fight her for my sister, but me and I tell her my mind, and she tell me her mind, and we just...
Yeah, but Sunday much as a man in time, always a go on in the morning and see. I'm feel baby man.
Take care of this girl.
I'm free man. Tell her if you come give me a link on the day after you eat so we can change her little dirty ways in her, you know?
Girlie.
And pretty it up. You know what I mean? They don't play babes, man.
But most.
I say look like nothing and go on for her and so we can give her some little money that we may have thrown down on the floor in here.
Yeah, you can't get money because my sister make sure say...
Nothing like that, man. Over there, man.
I'm with you.
I'm there. Hi, Nisi. Hi, Nisi. Hey, Nisi. Hi. Yes, smile. Papa Doc will stay like a mommy in life. Papa Doc will stay like a mommy here. He's a nice baby. No, become like a mommy. You can like my finger now, baby. Yes, yes. Bye. Yes. So you want?
Come if you want something to contact me.
Yes, I'm going to say Britney. Oh, winter, I want something obvious.
Yes, I want something. I'm going to make up and buy one thing to be the more intimate affair.
No, sir. I will reach from them there. You tell me, say, no, sir. We have this here one, man. Look there. How you be before that? How you be before that? I will be before again. A town.
Rich man. Remember?
Irish. I wish you were. I wish I'm on a brief again.
So you're calling me?
No, I'm not that. Somebody listen to me. Yes, baby, my mother did listen. She would know who your father is. You know,
Don't have to make me know who my baby daddy.
Don't make
sure
sure-
the man don't want mind the picnic. And I mind for make no one mind the picnic. Me give me red father so.
no, you can't just take a picture and dash it on any man like that.
You know who breed me same man that own the hotel.
Which one of them?
The one, the same one we go for the money.
Me don't know which one of them name the one.
Never mind one man to go for the money.
Hey, I'm more than one of them I tell that story.
Girl, I give me money and I give me money. Cause I'm sure they know killings just come through. So.
Me and your sister and just because of you, let me tell it's not because of you me go get the money, and because of the baby. You see me? And my graduation I come up, but you're forward or not? Oh, so that's you can't come forever. No, you're a come to look after, so you can't go forward. Sorry, me not a baby at midnight in my church. Hey, because of the money I can't come get it.
Thanks, the sister, even though you're off for that. It's just another thing. I'm going to church application tomorrow. I used to go to school and take for that thing. Too much stress on something. Mother. Oh, but we can't still do that right. I'm not going to name for money.
Here, the $50 US master. Could you say it, baby girl? You buy more. You come on, grab me. Me tell you, you know, because I you know, baby. No, because
Sometimes in life, you know, you see people on one stage and next thing they climb. You never know, you go to school or something, you never know, you know, like, thanks to this.
For next time, next time I say I go rich out. Me rich right now because what? Me go graduate. Because I want something me they tell about. If they listen to me, they would have split in a two for the 12 or 1 hour would I get it.
I'm still happy for you. I know you have a lot of potential.
You happy for me?
You know me support you. Differently from a messed up.
Where you gonna use that support me? You have money?
We can give you good advice and I just financial support alone.
If you can, yes, I have good advice. And me, I get advice. No baby love me. That's for you. Sorry, me love. Go and go buy the baby feed and make you start ball again.
So book and giant and I used to say one on run come and tell
Me not. I'm from.
no, because everything you know me don't mean. And that's why you even give me the money because my eyes are getting things. You come
Always like give me what?
and when the man them a drop the food said where you name and laugh and drink and
When a man them buy like a 2-piece KFC, come give me 1 piece. So that I get chat more.
you know, by the time when you know the time when such man buy buckets and when they all laugh and drink and they mash potatoes and
Show because I want the man feel no way. Oh.
Anyways, thanks my sister and thanks to meet me down all the time too. I'm glad you graduate and you come up better than me.
Now me I graduate how you wear the gown. Go on down again. I wear short then this song.
You don't put on your baby to sleep and then you go back.
No, you have to carry the baby with you.
I can't go to my night to bring me along with what she like you did get the purse and then we go and shop.
Come like a man hunt you with the man and man can come behind you.
Hundreds of thousands pound give from a school book of jail.
Me no want none for you.
Me a chop line.
Go and chop from the time me I chop the line you know you can't chop.
You know where you say?
No sir, good girl breed I know the line can't chop.
This is that they are from. I see my from.
Dave Zagwan.
Each one.
Yeah, no, that. Compost. Pretty so. Yeah, top suck your finger. I'm tell you about the finger.
If you glad to make your last name live on
Love you, finger.
first nice daughter. I'm not kind of weird and real last name that you're compost.
That's based man. I want to man. My father give me that name, man. You know, say some last name stay man. Or compost pretty.
So that one breeder man name.
So babes. Yeah, because this year feel different right now. So more money more make us see.
Well, I say in 3 months right now because I have things to get sorted out and you have your daughter now.
You go there, baby, I sleep in my sleep. Papa soon make you go sleep, okay? You soon go sleep, alright? Alright, look up us. You smell like that, you do. See, you get everything for me. Watch me nose, man. Time to go to Ivy, baby. Papa soon make you go sleep. Papa soon make you go sleep, okay? Papa soon make you go sleep. So you're going differently. She eat already?
Yeah, she leaves earlier, but you know she kind of run low on a few stuff. And that me like with you, and make things run out before you ask me. You always ask me.
What do you, man?
That me like it because some baby father don't have conscience. You come and you ask if she eats, some baby father not do that.
Man, my baby they don't feel hungry for too long, man.
And that me respect boy.
What do you, man?
As a baby father.
It's make sure from out of gear.
Yeah.
Listen me, babes, from out of gear.
Coming out, she have time when she see
Take
you.
out the piece of food for gear, and I tell you, you know. You see me? I toast chop today because I go up my car down the machine full up, you see me? Can't take a long line business, you know my style. So many people in the line frowns and see me just like come for work and can't take a smell something. So what you pray?
Yeah.
Hold this up. Buy some things. And if you shout out, yes, yes, Rukum. Buy, purchase, yes. You purchase some things, let's go to home see. If you shout out no iPhone or more, you know, so them go on the card. You drive out and go on the card, maybe you get some more, you see me?
You could otherwise go.
Go on man from some little baby, my little baby. Alright, to the baby.
You want one
To
son?
the baby.
You want one son?
To the baby.
Yeah, one son.
Calm down, man. Just push me every minute. No matter. I Gina, do what I'm bank account.
No.
I want this song.
Yeah, she
Alright,
she wants her brother.
I'll get your brother. Oh, I'm gonna get your brother. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna get your brother. So tell her what. There are some good things to do differently, you know. Tell her what. You mean come back as a free? Oh, you don't watch me, mommy, son. You watch me, mommy, son. Papa, go in.
Protective of her mother.
Papa, go in.
On the way, yeah.
Bye bye. Yes. Finish
She
now.
gone, yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, Ruckus.
Bye-bye.
Ta.
Papa love you.
See that pink like a papa.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Pink like a papa.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
So what?
Bye-bye.
Say to papa. Say to papa. Papa best word. What? 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 Ah, I love you. Bye bye.
Alright, Lisa, babe. Take care.
Alright.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This mommy.
Yes, mommy. What you see, you is a dirty man. You come and chat about kiss mommy. If I'm like people with a shame to call my mother.
Girl, me never come mommy and come so strong like.
No, me have to come boy and come strong, of course, because what? You take the picnic and I give to different man, but your father, this is your father that day. Every man come here pick the father. Girl, pick, choose and refuse. You try to pick the father quicker and fast. Because it's a picnic like a big idiot right now.
The girl people.
Yeah, trick picnic like she a pass round donkey.
You have stepfather, grandfather, father, great-grandfather, great-great-grandfather.
Me not talk about the great and the grand them.
Fathers. So we mean pretty get two father wrong with that, but they have two than one.
Oh, two down one. I can't wait till they find out here that you are dope.
That's the thing they not find out.
That's the thing, they not find out. Don't worry yourself. You see, you is a wicked girl. Me shame for call my sister. This a pity, I'm shame for call you. Your mother.
Come along, all us come Brittany. Go make
Me not coming along with all those for you.
Place like
Because me feel that way, me say you're my sister. I take a picnic and I give to every man I pick the father.
feel a way to know so you tell like my sister, you see?
Share what?
If my baby father come here.
Share what?
Why?
Me I practice once for school.
Yeah. Yeah, and I'm gonna see that hit me up and say
Pajama class.
What go on with that?
Like that?
You get the bicycle?
yeah, you know, buy a bicycle and she
The picnic can't
Yeah, we give her money for the
she
bicycle.
practice for the bicycle.
Oh, the bicycle, you can pick bicycle eh?
Give her my char clothes.
Oh.
So,
Nothing there.
how is school?
Yeah?
How is school?
School is okay. It a treat me nice.
Oh, good.
Very.
Like,
And me soon graduate too.
wow, I'm proud of you. My is really good. It's in our party.
Some people make you compare me now. What about comparison? You know, probably a big mother.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, but at least look at education is good.
Come on. You never give my bowl out with me and punish and me eat it. What you mean?
You know, my abuela, you're trying to know myself.
Exactly. So don't do that.
Clap your hands, baby. Alright, clap, congrats. Happy auntie, not you?
Yeah, she has a
Say it.
hair auntie.
Yes, baby, clap your auntie. Yeah.
Why, to your mother alone to the one hairstyle. I'll do it, I say one hairstyle, right through. Right through. Right through. Why? Eh?
What's sorry, I was very rich. Change them hairstyle, change them people hairstyle. Sorry. No, I'm not talking about that. I say if I like.
No, me here, say, I say, which one is that?
Education pack up in your head.
More than things that slip out.
Study, yeah, man.
Come ready, you count too much money in the wall back right now.
Hey! Where should I find it from?
Huh?
Where should I find it from?
She good, man. She have money. She tell me that she have big job.
I'm glad you graduated still. I'm glad she
What she said she had?
She get subject and she have big job.
She a big. Oh yeah, she have a big job for true.
And she get her money.
Yeah.
So,
I'm probably a big mother.
I got to come over here.
I'm calling for your daughter.
So what money are you
Alright. Huh?
My money are you taking?
The money still processing your account. But say it take at least 3 to 5 working days to process certain amount of funds.
I feel like you're girl, me like how we used to talk to you. I feel like I
you used to go around me.
No,
No, because you just said something. No, it seems that when you're
twisted the tongue.
Oh, I thought we were
So
on
wait,
something right there.
Money you give him.
Huh?
Money you give him.
No, I'm going to give him. Go and to your father. Go and see to share.
You alright?
You know?
What?
I don't want to go to daddy.
Hey.
She don't want to go to daddy. If you don't want to go to daddy.
We're trying to say.
So sorry. I want to get no one go to you know.
Some people you can't go inside of stuff, you want to give me the space and keep spending time. If I get this option of this.
So when you can't bring me go inside.
Hold on.
Go to mama.
Because
Baby, no.
You can't look for you, pick the papaya.
Maybe I can't head no look. You kind of feel scared from that.
I'm a new fan.
Sorry, man, you like calling my brother. You remember my brother when you look at it? Brittany.
Oh, we brother.
Yeah, you look like our brother. We're all our brother.
So, when you don't do
Mommy first pick, you know, like a mommy first pick, and then kind of look like,
I wonder if I am mine, you know. Yeah,
What do you mean by I wonder, baby daddy? What you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean by I wonder? Baby don't look like you.
Sometimes I found nightmare.
I want in the most DNA. I'm doing it right now. I want in the most DNA. You want you can do from home, you just test the saliva. You want to do the in-house DNA test?
In-house, not just in-house.
Because you like the remote
saliva put over and wait for me to do.
Stop being negative. Because I don't know something. When I really have somebody saliva with, you know, so now I'm going to dry up and just have it put on with.
No, you can't put it in the fridge.
What's wrong with that, man? Yes, see your daughter know I love you. All the cock off ears of me have. It's a pity I can't. See, she laugh and she know the truth.
Laugh with daddy and baby. Up here with daddy.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I'm proud of you still.
Thank you.
So when you're going for your child too?
I'm not ready as it.
You can't say that you have to breathe up the island.
So let me ask you a question, sir. Post you post me.
Okay.
No, I'm my sister now.
No, yes,
I'm not like how you talk to my sister.
No,
You
yes,
come
no.
to me,
Can I say a question?
Sure.
Are you first child?
Huh?
Are you first child?
No.
Give me the picture of her clean neck. May I ask you a question? Are you first child?
She number 14.
Box said on the picture they get number 14. Oh my.
Number 14.
Number 14. Oh my baby, number 14.
Number 14. That's okay, because them take care and picking the matter with somebody. Brittany, you make it so negative. Brittany, why you so negative?
How much jacket have you had?
No, back up your mind. We are trying to tell you. Physical jacket
I be a suit you have.
Suit you have. What jacket you have?
Listen, my last name is Jackson. I can never get jacket.
Okay, Mr. Jackson.
Right, Mrs. Jackson?
Mrs. Jackson.
Yeah, Mrs. Jackson. Little Jackson.
Oh, we don't come back and say sister, man.
Because she said,
That's why you know why she going so, because she don't have a man. I feel like she look a bit jealous too.
Me not jealous, me can't just hear your man.
Oh, put your mind in phone so you can beat me for WhatsApp sometime.
We disrespect your excuse.
No,
in front of my sister,
I
right?
mean, no, me brother, no, you have a sister-in-law.
You said being you, you said being your brother, you said being you.
What are you doing? You know? No, Jackson, you get upset now because me notice if you come here now, you have pick conversation with her. Look at your body language now. Check me out. Check me out now. Look at the direction that your body is facing into. Right in front of my sister. You come on me and what do you mean?
Look. Look where the body language is for them. Me want to get communication to my daughter. You know they have to
See here, old baby and Spencer. That's why she a crying.
She alone now when they say, oh, the baby, we don't know where the baby gone in our work. That is the thing in our work. How much I got like their car? The phone there and you're gone and the baby there. You know, I left me there, I left phone the baby to watch cartoon.
My sister is capable of taking good care of the baby. I have to go up on the road sometimes and do a little hustling.
Sister busy most of the time, so I said, sister.
What kind of hustling? I don't know the woman there to find her.
No, Mama said sometimes do here. Mama said
you
here can't help itself. So sometimes you help her here.
Yeah, one night for the church to yourself.
You're crazy.
I feel like church she has like Camille to a joke.
Huh?
What?
Where's that?
Really gonna get something to eat. Go rig up your ass.
Because of their front your man and me say can't pull me.
You like my man? You like my man? No, because it's not your fault.
I don't feel like someone I know when you scare from and the lady. Oh.
Alright, you know. I went send some money from you.
Yeah, because she want a couple stuff now, babe. And the baby miss you come spend time with
Yeah,
you.
but-
She
yeah.
she know you're going.
Right.
She's smart. You have to spend money on her.
You're mine.
Yeah, and she's she's smart like her father.
Number 14. Oh.
I'm not like 14 in a cash box.
Let me flip that
You don't
number
have so much
14
you
then.
have, Jackson.
Mom, number 14. Come here,
Good auntie. Go on to auntie.
She don't want to come to me now.
No, you don't want to go?
Come to auntie, baby. No.
Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Because you just cuss me out and try this out for me. Me go through too much things in life, Britney, for you. I want to in front of
Then
the
come by
father.
later.
You just transfer 6 grand to your account, so. Buy
6
your-
grand, Jackson. 6 grand.
14, I didn't know. I'm giving the most. Actually, younger. You know, them big canyon, banana.
Me put your rest funny, everything good. And you know me hardly.
By law, government says 6 grand a week for children, and we give 6. But you need to put 3. The parents put half and half. They put the whole life. So anything else, fine.
She know you're a good father, that's why you're going so. She know you always deliver money on time and something you give me
Yeah.
overs. But you're not feeling one so that come to me with government mistake.
14 of them. We don't want to end up
Nice
at
seeing
4,000,
you
14.
that you stop by and check on your daughter.
And next time, if you say left this house at night with the baby, yeah. I'm call your phone. I'm here. She didn't go with mistake and you know, the day. We find anyway, you know. She's like, no, I want one more. Love you one
You
more
threaten
picking.
me, Jackson?
Love you one more picking, man.
No, it is. If you smoke a distance, I'm going to some girl look good. Not bother with me, you know. Not bother with me, because you have too much finger there. You want to come bring me. What you plan to do for me in life? I want to start a business, something. Because you can't,
Alright.
you can't pick me and you don't plan to help me in life.
I'm not good
You don't have
father.
ambition.
And a baby daddy. I check Mr. Chin and buy a couple of boxes and some bags.
Sister, come here there.
And start off with it, yeah?
Sister.
Wait, don't let him. His sister coming now. Wait.
No,
Baby.
So what you say help me make it there?
Me tell her say people ain't keep me out of their place.
How would it? Are people in the places?
No?
So would they care? That's the kind of the way I get in a guy play. No man, the place around hot man, come watch say for anything. Hold it.
How are you?
Nice to see you.
Man, you look like your mother.
Thank
Man, now you look like your
father.
mommy. Now you look like your mommy. Oh my God, it's so nice to see you grown.
Nice to see you too.
Oh my
Not a long time
goodness.
in a say no?
It's a long time.
But me have bad news.
What is that now? What happened?
People in free place, they in confident place and also they keep me out and I have nowhere to go.
Leave in general.
How you doing, young man?
Yeah, man, big up.
Who's this?
He's my fiancé.
Fiance. You get big until you have fiance. Oh my
Yes.
goodness. I hope he's taking care of you. How you doing, man? You all right?
Yeah, man,
treating me
alright, man.
Awesome. Very nice.
Try to do
what
my
hap-
best.
Yes, that's good. So what happened? What you say happened?
People in confident place and they keep me out.
Oh, like that.
So, and the job I did have, it not go on good, so did end up on leave and feel like so everything would have alright. So I make a huge mistake. We give up the work and now I don't have no job. Lucky so I find him and take care of me, buy my clothes, food, everything.
Thank you, man.
appreciate that.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man.
Yeah. You know, the thing is, I've been out of your life for a very long time. I've had sleepless nights about it. Honestly. I mean, I don't know how I missed up your number and all of that, but I want to tell you, I'm here for you now, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here for you. I want to take care of you. I want to get you to come to the States to live with me.
The States?
Yes.
Summer leaving?
Even if he has to come, you're gonna have to come first.
Okay.
Yeah, you could always come back and marry him, you know, and take him up. But if I'm gonna file for you, I can't file for him.
Okay.
The only way I could do that is unless you're both married. And if you're married, it's gonna take a longer time.
That's true.
Yeah, so it's easy for me to take care of your papers and get you to come. And then after that, you know, you could always come back and see him. And if you want, you could get married to him. And if he's the person you really want to marry.
Yes, he's
Yeah, but you're looking well. So
Thank you.
I really don't think, you know, it's going to be an issue. So how have you been? How have you been?
Well, I'm okay since lately. Since I met him. Never really have a father in my life like that. So not really rub it in your face about me.
Yeah, but I'm back now, though. I'm back now.
Yeah.
And I mean, the greatest days of your life are before you. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I certainly. I really apologize for you know, staying out of your life for such a long time. And yeah.
Understand.
Yeah. I hope you're taking care of my daughter. Okay.
Yeah, man.
She's the only one. She's the only one I have. Yeah, the only one I have, and I decided, you know, it's not gonna pass this year before I try and find you. It was just something I determined in my heart to come and see you.
Yes.
But you look like your mommy. You're a splitting image of your mom.
What about everybody I say?
But you look like your mom. As I came in and saw you, I thought it was your mother.
No.
Yeah, you've gotten grown and everything, you know. Have you had anything to eat from morning?
No, I didn't eat anything from morning.
Oh. Yeah, I just passed a Burger King, which I think is just right close to here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so can we go there and get you something to eat?
Yeah, sure. You can bring him also?
Yeah, you want to come with us?
No, I'm good, man. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Can we bring you back something?
No, you know, somebody get like a food this morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right, man. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right, come dear.
Soon come back.
All right.
It's a pity you didn't come, man, because, you know, we could get you something, you know. Yeah, but I guess I respect your wishes. Yeah. So, tell me something about you. What you do? What do you do?
Well, you know, so to tell you the truth, a supermarket. Yeah, I work in a still.
A supermarket. Okay.
Yeah, I do all of a supermarket.
Okay. Yeah, everybody has to start somewhere, yeah? Yeah, there's no job.
No, I'm good.
There's no job that is
No, I'm not going to eat already.
Oh, you eat already.
And I can go and catch up on everything. I understand, because I know a long time I say that, so Yes. I'll go up on the road and make a walk, so.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Take care of yourself, man. I'm looking forward to talking with you, okay?
Yeah, man. Later, me text you.
Alright, later.
So tell me what's going on in your life. I mean, you know, I haven't seen you in a long time. I could pass you on the street and not knowing it's you.
Get big on everything now, so change up. Stuff.
Man, it is so nice to see you. You've made my day. You really make my day. I really wish you all the best. I hope, you know, we can...
So like how the people ain't take it place now. As me said before, I don't have nowhere to go. I have my boyfriend yard, but I don't really want to stay there for long. Understand? So I don't know if I could have find somewhere for me can stay. You know, the new way, because I'm my daughter, you know, so.
Of course I will.
Okay.
Do you have anywhere in mind?
No.
What I could do, I could get you an Airbnb to stay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so as soon as we're through eating, we could drive and look at a few places.
Okay.
And then we can determine, you know, from there what you like. I want you to see the place. I want you to be very integral into where you're going to stay. Because I want you to be comfortable. And you don't have to worry about the bills. You don't have to worry about food and stuff like that. I'll take care of you.
All right, thank you.
Yes, I certainly will. Yeah, so as soon as I finish eating, we go on the road and see what we can work out, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Britt, so I'm gonna take you somewhere that I figure you will, you know, basically like.
Yes.
Yes, and you can tell me if you like it.
Okay.
As I said before, promise, I'll take care of you. You understand? And I'm really, really sorry that, you know, it took so long to be in touch with you. Believe me. Yes. I'm still amazed how well you've grown. Yeah. You think that young man really love you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And you love him?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Yeah, he seemed to be a very nice young man. I like when young people can take time out to know each other. But no baby right now, okay?
That's right.
Okay. Right. You know that you have a kid now, your life is gonna be held right, you're gonna be held back for a very long time.
Right.
So, you know, as soon as you get married and settle down and have a good job, you know, you can do all those things. You understand?
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, I care a lot about you and I want you to benefit from the things that I have gotten in life. Yes. When last have you spoken to your mom?
It's been a long while.
Yeah, she texts me one day and, you know, and telling me she would love for us to get back together. But you know, that is not gonna be possible.
Why?
Long story. I just thought, you know, she hid you from me for a very long time. I didn't even know she was pregnant until a long time after. So, you know, I'm not to be blamed for you not being in my life. You understand? Yeah, she said she didn't want me to have anything to do with you if I didn't plan to marry to her. And she's too arrogant, man. Yeah, couldn't deal with that. Couldn't deal with that. So, you know, you are mine. So, no matter how old you are, I'll take care of you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yes. And I have a lot of businesses that I want you to come and benefit from.
Like what kind?
Yeah, I have a clothing business. You know, I have a business. I make clothes and I make ties. Yeah. It's a very thriving business too. And anything can happen to me and the government will take it over. So I don't really want that. I want you to be the beneficiary. You understand?
I understand.
Yes. So all the things that you didn't get when you were much younger, you stand the chance of having them now. Okay?
Okay.
All right, dear. Yeah, Britt. Oh, you're on the call. Yeah, so we reached now. This is the place, yes.
Okay.
Right, so let me just find a nice park.
Alright. Okay, so
And then we can just go inside and see what the place looks like.
alright, same to you. Alright, bye.
Here we go. Yeah, so this is the place, and I look, you can enjoy it here. It's very nice. Yeah, you can go ahead. Yeah, it's very nice. You know, yeah, get accustomed to. Get accustomed. It's just a 1-bedroom, you know, but I think you'll love it. It has air condition, bathroom there. You have a little table, and you can put your stuff. Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, have a little television. I just want you to be comfortable. Make sure you have somewhere to sleep and feel nice until we can sort you out differently. You understand? Yeah. I know you're gonna love it.
It's nice. I like the design.
Yes. Yeah. You'll love it. I want you to be comfortable and just take your time. I'll keep in touch with you. As I said, I'll take care of the payment for you. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So all you have to do is just live. Send the money and I'll send you food and stuff like that. So you'll be all right. All the things that you miss for years, man, we'll get them together now. All right?
Okay.
And just know I love you. All right?
Okay.
Yes. Nice. So I'm gonna have to run and leave you now. So get accustomed to your new place.
Alright
Okay.
then. So later.
Yeah, man. You can call the young man over and let him help you. Get your stuff together. Because remember, this is going to be your home from now on. Okay.
Alright.
All right. Take care of yourself. I think I'll come back and see you tomorrow.
Alright then, bye.
All right, dear. Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Alrighty. Bye bye.
Hello.
Welcome.
I wish for you gone.
They mean by which part I'm gonna and my father where
So me need to listen me and come back over by place called Lincoln.
No, that's the reason why I call it because my wife come which part me they know.
I mean, I don't know which part this how me I go reach there.
Me they what place name? 19 Stress Free Road. You know the place there?
Just send me a location by my phone. Send me by WhatsApp.
Alright then, I send you.
So how me I go reach over there though?
You not take taxi?
Alright, send me a location right now. Don't
Alright.
give me what I fear. Cause your father come down in here like he have money, So you have to spend money.
So what that have to do with you with my father having money?
No, me just a say.
Alright then, when I come. Cut that.
Hello. Remember, so I don't know which room they need to send me a location for your place. And you need to tell me which room. Alright, let me walk on look and see. The girl I thought a rich man. That's a big place I'm trying to see. make your little place open up.
I'm fine with everything, yeah.
No, yeah, me I tell you always try to be safe.
Yeah, but
You know, so me come in a while ago, you know. And I saw somebody else
I see you coming in. Because I'm going to break here, so I'm going to look and see you. Come in.
Nice though.
I'm gone. Tomorrow before I come back.
So, I'm here out and over?
No, me alone. My help bring me things and come in here.
Which part in there?
Which part left there?
No.
Which part left them?
So
No get yard. No get yard in
I think everything you did take up. So you want to go deal with that now?
Yeah, you can go deal with me now come. You can go feed.
Let me ask you a question. You know say you do some little silly things and you not look funny.
What do you mean by me do some silly things?
Because look, me just a left friend down there. So me can tell me, so if you take them up when me I come, me have to go back down there now.
Because I couldn't but me never really want to if you argue with you over the phone because I don't want you to stay. I say bring them come here and argue before you bring them. Make a come
So I come here and go back now.
What? What this mean?
Money. Me fear if you go back.
You don't have money for you? I'm gonna give you back later. Or tomorrow.
No.
You don't have money now?
Yeah, tell me see if I don't give you no money at all.
No, I say I must send money to you later tomorrow.
Alright, me I'll go back feed back the bag and get some bag. Carry some bag for myself.
Alright, go on.
So come back.
Alright.
Feel like a foreign day.
Yeah, no, you know, used to good things because imagine, like, yeah, looking at the door.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
But I
Don't try pass the place. Don't
I'm
do
not
it.
past this, but I should. But Jamaican and I thank you for talking truth in us, so I want to stay.
See, let me carry my could have said.
You know that here my next bag?
You want to take taxi go carry so them?
No, alright.
Me carry
Me not
some
take taxi
clothes
to my
tonight.
father drive.
Well, you know, call him then make him carry things so that's what you stick. Me carry some of my clothes for you in there.
Alright then.
Right now, I feel like I go with a beer, you know, come on.
Me not feel like what I beat, you feel like what I beat, so go on. Before I tell you to pull over there, so maybe me go in there later. Not sure.
So let me go over there now.
Me not ready yet. If me did ready, I would have gone over there already.
Alright. Yeah, at least I come in someone to do it and then me treat a certain way. Yeah, so me is a bad guy and you always a kick off me anger.
Me not, I'm to kick off your anger if me I talk to you. Me I shout, me I raise my voice? No, I'm not raising my voice.
Me wait. Me I'll go up all. Me wait. I believe I'm go over there. Me I'll be there.
Everything a big slow, yeah.
Take over close to be.
Sometimes just burn me feel. Just don't give it alone. Look for the costume for here to come abroad with the costume.
Hello. What are you doing? I plan to go into the pool today.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm just away from my, no?
Oh. Yeah. You're beautiful though. What's your name?
Brittany.
Brittany. Brittany.
Yeah.
I'm Council Color.
Oh, sure.
I'm Davi. I'm here now for pool.
Davin?
Yeah.
Davin or Davi?
Davidan.
Oh, Davidan.
It's a Brittany. Where are you from?
I'm not from around here. Today's my first day over here because my father been here.
Your father?
So I'm like, over here to spend time.
Yeah. So, you don't want to know about here?
Not really. I'm not really from around
You
here.
can't share some place and then, alright. First of all, this is pool.
As you can see.
Yeah, so that's the first thing. You can't show you some I put the water. You eat from morning.
Yeah, let me already.
Alright, so yeah, you can make dinner reservation, stay around a nice place. You can know what I want.
To be honest.
To be honest.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to you about boyfriend here. This mama they have the experience.
I just know my friend from it. Alright, we're not going to go dinner. One time, me and you go out dinner and show you any place.
Maybe they want to do it.
Alright.
But maybe you want to send a boyfriend here.
Alright, no problem. So, you can see you after me.
Alright, so I know some homeless.
But, you can't do it. I'm not say you know, but you know, some most women always say they have their man. And when I check it out, a scam, because they have men. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm not feel like that.
So you're not willing or up to the idea of that?
No. I never really think about that, to be honest. But I don't know. Depends on what the man. Depends on what the man depends on. I don't talk about party.
So listen, you're not going to try to watch it. I really just soon. If your friend say go in there, I can go in there with you.
Maybe. I can't do that.
Okay, man, that. One more.
Wait till you go eat.
Wait till we go, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You feel like say you can box me and kick me down and lick me down? Let me.
So who that out there?
What do you mean I would have thought this? I'm gonna know the youth.
So you and him sit down so close. Me attack a How you and him sit down so
Don't
close?
promise, sir. Don't do that.
Come on.
Come to the bed here, man. Don't shove me. Don't do that.
Oh, remember to the people in there.
I'm not business. I'm not going to call you over here.
Bother with that.
Let me go here. Let me go.
I beard, me just done beard and I'm come out now me underpants and me look here so me just put on back them.
Up in this. If you're my penis, me free, man. Brother, don't deal with me here.
Who do you talk to?
Me don't know him.
So why you don't sit down so close out there? Me and talk to you, sit down right
Don't push me down, don't do that.
So why do you get so close to you?
Me don't know. You come and ask me one question and I answer a question.
What kind of question am I ask you?
Look here, don't say anything to me.
What kind of question?
Me don't stop push me down.
What kind of question am I
If I ask
ask
you
you?
if me I go in the pool.
Oh, room service. Yeah man. Look at you. Yo. Your man, you can't walk over there.
Stop. Alright.
You know, there's the people that come over like you want to show the colors. You like it boy or something?
Hey!
You like it boy?
Me have really look for you, laugh, trust me. No one on
Me
me.
think you like it boy.
Brother, me never know me had that they are trying to know. What, even if...
Even if what?
Me tell us I like the youth. Me can't see the boy I like him like
You know how long me I watch you know? From me come out and me see animal laugh and I chat. I'm really so close and something. And that's why you want to go to pool because you have something planned.
I'm if you have something, me just reach you. Me just
You
reach
there
you.
before me, you know, so I don't know what kind of conversation.
Oh, but yes, somebody did
That's why
there in
you
the
never want to
house.
come. No.
As my father step out of the
so I
That's why
call
you never
you.
want me to come out and pull me see it,
You
man.
know what?
Where everything good, me I talk to you, and now walk out there.
But let me go
Then now walk out there.
Excuse.
And that's the figure do man.
Germs.
Come here.
Don't call me.
Come here.
No, don't call me. You don't know yourself.
But you don't know yourself.
And you don't know yourself because
Come here, me
you don't want to talk with you.
Just come here and come.
So you're ugly.
You love me, do. Come here, man. We need to big up yourself, man. So
What do you mean by when I need to
can't
make
talk
up
and pick it.
and you come with a foolishness. You come and talk and pull me and I'm going with yourself. If you at least just come to me and say,
Alright, so
come here, what happened?
I will talk about it then.
You don't do that.
What literally go on then?
Me over there, sit down, right? I look on the water and you come and ask me if me ask him because they say him response to the pool. They understand?
Yeah.
So basically that we're talking.
So why you have to be so close to you though? And you know so you don't want no girl close to me, so why you have to be so close to you?
Never me tell him to sit down.
And it come like him, you see it? Me I say things to you and you give me attitude at them.
Me not get an attitude, no say
So why you tell the boy never you turn this long? You could have at least say, my boyfriend that done this, you know. So me know you not have to be so close because
me did tell him and I get up and he say who that and I turn around and you that buck up, you know.
Me I watch you no long and I say things to you and you come like you blush. You did even tell
Who they have blush? Me tell him boyfriend over the room bathing. That's what I said to him.
No, I don't really follow up the argument still because right now I'm coming to enjoy myself because a long time in a poverty. So right now man
What you laughing?
just a laugh because I just feel happy. That them life I'm in love, you understand?
Boy, if I had money sweet.
You're going like saying I love me, go for sex and all
Me
that.
never- Look here, just calm down, yeah. Now you tell man. Hey, but I dive on my foot. No, but I dive on this. But yeah, you're a bunky, then wake up, man. Oh, then. Is it? I'm on it now. So long way I sleep for.
I'm tired, man.
So I'm not tired to get up, man. Your bunky then just loud, brother. You need to control them.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, we have the TV now.
That's
We have the TV on. Until we realize that we drop asleep and everything. So, your father will carry breakfast, come and we go out on the front up a restaurant and get free breakfast.
God.
Oh,
My father's supposed to bring money go and give me today. So when time I get in, you can go buy breakfast, eat away.
go brush my teeth and come.
Right then, you mad.
So you make me take a swim today? Hmm? You make me take a swim?
Maybe, yeah. Get up on that.
He's like you know, nobody knows the name.
That was pretty big. We never said that. But this one, eh? But this one, eh?
You tell the pool nigga.
Look here, we had an argument yesterday, don't come with it today again.
Hi, Britt.
Oh yeah, you can come in.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Seem like you're moving nicely.
Yes.
Yeah, just checking on you to see how you doing and how was your night? Good?
It was okay.
All right.
How was yours?
Not bad at all. I'm here just taking it nice and easy. I want to take you for dinner. Can we go for dinner later? Or you wanna? Yeah, we could go somewhere.
Yes,
We could go somewhere later.
Take a walk out on the pool.
Oh, young man, how you doing?
Nigga.
Everything is all right?
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Yeah, so how the bed?
It's comfortable and nice.
Hot water is here?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. I know people change all the time, you know, and people always have all kind of attitudes and stuff, but I see a little attitude on the gentleman's face. What happened to him?
I don't know.
Yeah, he looks a little upset.
Upset?
You guys had a quarrel or something?
No, alright, that's how I always look.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm very concerned. Sometimes when people look like that, you know, there could be unaddressed situations behind it. You understand?
For real.
Yeah. I want you to know that I love you and I don't want anybody at all to take step with you. Okay? Anything, please let me be the first to know what's happening. I want to protect you. I don't want you to wait until it is too late, because I've seen a lot of areas of, you know, family lives that doesn't really work. I remember what happened between me and your mom, and I really don't want the same things to happen to you. You understand? Yes, just know that I love you and I am here to protect you.
Okay.
You understand? Yes, I care a lot about you.
Oh, and you did say you're gonna drop off money today to buy something because you're not here.
Yeah, you were supposed to give me your account number. If you give me the account number, yeah, I just send it to you. So when you go to the supermarket,
On your phone.
right? Yeah, my phone is in the vehicle. So once you send that to me, I just send it to you, so you can use your card anywhere. You understand? Yeah, and I will send enough. I've already paid the rent. Yes, I've already paid the rent. So I'll just send money for you so you can buy food. I want you to be comfortable. Can you drive?
Yes, but not 100%.
Not 100%. I want to get someone to help you to, you know, get your skills together. And so I want to be able to purchase a nice little car for you. I don't want for you to be taking taxis and stuff like that. I want you to be able to drive your little car. Can you gentlemen drive?
Yes.
You can? Well, at least he can be your driver.
That's right.
Yes. So I want you to be comfortable. I'm here for you, and I promise you that whatever it is that I can do for you, let me know. Don't wait until I leave before you tell me on the phone you wanted this or you wanted that, because there are a lot of things I have to do them while I'm here. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, and I'll be leaving in a few days, so
My days.
yes, I have to go back to work.
Alright.
You have to go back to work. So anything you just let me know. Give me a call, and I'll be right here.
Okay.
All right? Thank you so much. Yes, I care a lot about you. So what have you been doing from morning?
Not so long wake up and then go be a little bed.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah. Hi, young man. You okay?
Yeah, man. Good. You sure you're always like this? Oh, you're looking sad. Did something happen? Something happened?
That's a whole lot different, mate, you know?
Okay, okay. These kind of languages. What I mean? Holding a different meds. What I mean? What does that mean?
What?
He said he's holding a different meds. I'm not sure.
No, it's okay.
He's okay? Okay. I mean, what am I to say otherwise if he says he's okay and you say he's all right? I mean, I know you're accustomed to this kind of, thing, so yeah, I'm just hoping it doesn't get further than I anticipate. So, Brett, listen, on a serious note, I really want to talk to you about that thing I spoke to you about the other day.
Oh, overseas?
Yes. What I really want to talk to you about today is the fact that this American passport is a very powerful thing to have. It gives you a lot of opportunities. It enlarges your territory.
So overseas this thing?
Yes. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
So you weren't listening all the time, but you're hearing now. Man, I see you have selective hearing, huh? Okay, all right. So what I'm talking about is, I've already started the process before I got here. So when I'm leaving on Wednesday, next week Wednesday,
Okay.
I'm taking you with me.
Next week, Okay.
Yeah, so you could, your gentleman can stay in the house because I've already paid for the rent and stuff like that. No, he can stay in the house, but I want you to come.
Yeah.
I want you to come and get your landing, and as soon as you do that, you can always come back. Yes, I'll start the process for you. You can always come back. And a little later on, a little later on, you can always marry him and take him up with you.
Oh, yeah.
You understand? Yeah, so I want you to put your stuff together as best as you can.
Okay.
We may have a few places to go, but I'm gonna start doing some stuff today. And I will certainly keep in touch with you. You still have the same telephone number, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'll call you a little later on, and any additional information I need, I'll ask, and we take it from there.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So everything is okay with you?
Yeah, man, no good, man.
Yeah, I care a lot about you guys, okay? You said whoever my daughter is in love with, I have a responsibility to care for them as well. Yeah, and I care a lot about you, and I really want for you both to be happy. If you are the person she has chosen, I want both of you to be happy, and I will do whatever it is. Anything I do for my daughter, I'll do for you. Are we together?
Yeah, man, no first bit.
Yeah, come on. Blessings. So I'm gonna run. So I have a couple of things I want to take care of today.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna just get breakfast. When I don't send money in a bank account.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I'll just transfer. I'll transfer. I'm gonna leave this watch with you.
Okay.
Yeah. It might be a little too big for you, but I wanna leave it with you. At least when you look at the time, you can remember me. Remember that sentiment is attached to this watch, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Nice, man.
All right. That's yours for life, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right. All right, my dear. Take care of yourself.
Bye, Father.
God bless you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Take care of yourself, man.
Alright.
Please.
Yeah, man.
Please, I beg you, take care of her.
Yeah, man, I'll do it right.
Yeah, man. Let's do the right thing, all right?
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. Blessings. All the best, Bert.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Is that everything?
Yeah, man, no, okay.
Okay.
So, no, what is it?
You want this video?
Give me a watch.
You father, give me that.
Give me a watch. Give me a watch.
Yeah, squeeze my face.
So give me a watch.
No, but give me my face. My father, give me what you want. I'll take it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Put this in my back. Touch your wrist so I'll go and meet you. But look at you on top of my bag, man. To watch them on top of my bag. May I go for breakfast? So come back.
Oh, hello. No, stay right there. Come over here. I know what's up, fun.
I don't say you there.
Come on, I can't chill me or something.
I you there wait for me. So,
Me and Palmer, you know, come over here.
what's that food? Matter of fact, all the food come here now.
Who, me?
Yeah. I'm sure. So, come on,
Let's
man.
stay right there, so.
No, man. Come on, man.
You can't come down, man.
Come on, man.
Me nah go.
Come here now.
Me no want to go so far because you know if your boyfriend come out of son with me gun, no stop
No,
phone.
don't worry about your man. I do something nice, me, I show you. Come on, man.
Alright.
Alright. Yes, I show you. You know what I'm saying? I like you too, man. I said, just go and carry this to my reception. Okay. So you're born in a woman, you like you see this?
Yeah, if he is angels,
When you do?
angels, you understand? You know, it's our real friend about you, angels. You understand?
Oh, yeah, girl, that's right.
What is it?
Yeah, I'm away from the crowd. I really want to chat to you, because honestly, me not like when you do yesterday. Me not
Well,
tell
me
no
not like
lie.
when you either because then me to cuss about it.
For real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to be with this young lady. Me don't think you're supposed to get them drug and abuse them. Although I know my place really say nothing like that. And I believe a woman should get treated right.
And you bring back my spouse and come and do out here? Because me want to make up this man and me see it out there.
I'm do it, man, because I see her here as a surprise. I'm do it. I look out here. They must say to me, say I look right. That's why I know the place.
So you could do differently.
When it's there, I think they want something.
Well, to tell you the honest truth, the way it abuse them when me I get on the treatment, then when I get friend that they use, they minerate, you understand? And I just feel like I need somebody else to talk to. Me, why I do with him. I just don't want to get up on anything like that. Like, I need somebody else to talk to. I can't deal with him. Like, when, for instance, me and him fix, right? I will not talk, me and somebody else to talk to.
So, you could have been there for you.
To tell the truth, well, it seems like a nice guy, I'm not going to lie, so we have to get chances.
So, we are girlfriend and boyfriend now.
Hello, I'll look at you and look.
Alright, husband and wife.
We're not married yet, we can't just we're dating.
Alright, perfect.
Which my God?
Yeah.
Make it already?
Yeah, come on, get some breakfast then. Come on, get some breakfast.
No, I'm not people right now. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Which part of the find it place?
No, I'm ready for the NBA.
Around there, so?
Yeah.
I'm around there, so somewhere like that. The good things I see around there, so. Alright, thanks. Alright.
So all the while, you live out of house 1 hour and 20 minutes. And you tell me say 1 hour and 20 minutes. You walk around the whole place to try to find out where is breakfast. Why the youth hand around your shoulder? Answer
You hand it around my shoulder.
So where your hand?
Brother,
Where
just stop, hold on. What's
I
that?
saw your hand there. Look, hello, look
You know
now. I
what?
saw your hand
Leave
there.
me alone.
Have you seen me a flash off and
Where
flash
they
off
go?
over breakfast? You mean me I go on a rubber deal with something. Everything alright, man. Realize, you know, that you come out and come talk about you get breakfast and then you to walk and then hug you. What you mean, man? Brother, don't shame me in a crowd.
No, stop when I say you want shame me, don't do that. That's cute. That's good. What is a European man? That is right then. Who is that?
I mean, David.
Come here. Well done.
I check my phone, check my Oh,
The man I'm going with himself said we.
That's done.
Of course, but I was like,
Oh, you bed big.
so when you come over here.
Me just sit down and check my and see if you're alright.
Yes, I'm okay.
Wait a minute now in the back.
The boy I go on with himself and I cuss and I pull me and one bag of something and I chat about how. When they see some boy two out there, I not the brother not remember because I made all that at me.
Alright, let's just have it.
Can't take this now, I'm
Just
stressed
forget
out.
about him now, forget about him. Forget about him. Every problem I can cause me, I'll fix it. So what me can do now to make you feel better?
I don't want to do that. Well, I don't know what time I come back because he just tell me say I go on the road and I tell me what I go do or nothing.
You have key for your room too?
I want key.
Lock him
Me
out.
think he have a key.
Lock out him out, man.
Lock him out.
Lock him out. Make him feel how you feel. I'm gonna lock him out now. I see your phone now. I hear me on the show.
You want in my car.
Oh.
So basically it's all going now because me so forward now so.
Me don't need much time.
Then come then now. Let's get to work.
Wait, let me off with the back, man.
Come on. Hold on, shut it. Hurry up.
Boy, yeah, bad door.
Here man.
Fear boy don't like a bad man, but me know you know about that than me.
Here is someone. Hey.
You know what
No
I'm
sir. But up in there, I'll stop laugh alone. I might need to come here. Yes, you know.
You can't do a thing.
So tell me more about yourself. No?
Yeah. I'm still doing music though. David and one of the YouTube, but I know my time. Come know about you. How come I reach over here, sir?
My father never reach over here still. Like, my father never really did in my life much from small growing up because my mother keep me away from him, isn't it?
Why?
So, I don't know the reason why, but my mother keep me away from him for a really long time. I know I get in touch back. He come down, I did for yesterday, I think, 3 days ago. And in Commercial, I did live. Which one time I found the right time because I get put out of the place when I did there. People in comfy place because when they already pay rent, you see me.
So, basically, in kind of save you in a way.
Yes. So when he forward now, end up and tell him say, I don't know where to go. My boyfriend a catch. And he say, Mama, I get a place. So that's how come I get here. So
Because you used to live with your boyfriend, you feel like he can't treat you so. Because you did have to live with him in time there.
we did have to live with him coming here, now where to go. But next thing again, my father said, I file for me to go overseas because he come here this morning and say I deal with the papers them.
So
he already started dealing with them and next week Wednesday. He said that like for he said I fly out next week Wednesday now I'm come with him.
So your life was going good then now in our last part, man?
Yeah. Otherwise that go good, but with the relationship part now go good at all because I'm really stressed out.
Let's Jamaican, man. What's your fact? So him back on yard too.
And I testing my life to my father because my father asked me if I treat me right. And I tell my father say yes. He might treat me right. No one say no treat me right.
Cha.
My father say if I have a problem, if it make sure me tell him. Yes me. Are you your phone like a ring?
Sound like that for me, yes, but you can't answer now.
Okay.
Well, I think I should like your father, yeah. But I understand why you do it. You probably feel like it.
One thing I don't understand with him, like every time my father come around, it's like he start show a bad face. He start screw and go on with himself. And me I say, this a brother here, you can't do this something there around my father. You're in a theme place you live in there, you know.
Wow.
But make sure so you get food to eat, everything.
No, so you said like, nah, top bro. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
But bro, me a forward. You can't come in. Boy, me I keep know that. Alright, me a forward. Yeah.
May I come wait now?
How much you play to pull up?
Come and do press brother me. You shame me, there's no someone I go smack it in the room and I sing and I go on with myself.
What do you mean you shame me?
You shame me out there so brother. The amount of people did I look. People are peep through the window and I look how you deal with me.
You realize that you are play stupid game.
Who are play
have
stupid
them hand around you. You know, respect
man never have no
when
hand around
breakfast
me.
from morning you have me.
You're not going on the road so I'm going to get breakfast in
For
you.
yourself, man. I will leave money in my pocket now. So
You mean by money for money in your pocket? Where you get money
don't
from?
worry yourself where me get money from.
Oh, but when time me get money, come here, come on, let me talk to you. Come here now, come here, come here now, come here. Just give me a hug, give me a hug.
You know, say all these are going to
Give me a, oh my God, give me a. Come on, don't put that much. Baby, we're gonna be here for a morning. Come on.
Yeah, all these are doing something. They know.
Just come on now. Come on now, stop going so.
All these are using something you have to try to catch me. Every
Stop
time
it,
you
stop
have
going
argument, and you want me to stop because all these are trying to use sex. What do you want to eat?
Anything. Can't really make me feel hungry, I'm sure. So go on.
I love burger and I get
You don't want a burger, I love burger.
So you want
That.
KFC
You can't buy that.
or barbecue?
So you ask that question, where you get money from?
You know, so I'm virgin, I go check today and I say a long time, you know, so I can forward down from overseas.
Some man does a see man and you fling money per man, so.
don't
Fling big
fling.
money per man, so.
I don't fling money, I just have a virgin and just give me a money.
No man, fear bridging too close to you now because man, look here, you want a woman out there who need the money and the man not just see as a bridge and just pay much money give you, so. Like that. Tell me now.
So you try to say a lie, me tell.
I don't know, I don't say a lie, I don't say a true.
If when me tell you one something, don't try to grow no me
I
tell.
don't grow where you tell me, sir.
Stop question me. Me tell you one something you work with them, me
Look
tell you.
here.
And that me I try to tell you.
You agree me if you ask me for it, not true?
No, if you're afraid of me, but me tell you one
You
something.
can't go and
Don't
top up
try,
guys like
don't
say
try
you're a big
grow.
man, don't do it. Go on. Go on now. You know, say, me have something to talk to you about from what you do.
What a thought.
But I think right here is the right place to talk about it. How about that pool?
So what difference is there? So
In here kind of hot and out of the pool have cool breeze, so. But like when time here talk, we feel free. You understand? I'm gonna spread up a bit. Yes, you know. Alright, what am I gonna tell you? You know how you are gonna take it, if I take it to heart or anything, but bad news.
What kind of bad news you have to give me now? Why problem?
I'm not over at pool, me tell you.
I don't know what's so special about the pool. You know me not like the idea.
No, that's because I don't like walk and talk. But I stand up and talk and stuff and talk. You understand?
What material? One thing. One thing. One thing. Yeah, grown. Kind of come here. I mean, yeah, come here, stand up one place. If they have something to tell me, what? What? What do you mean by it?
You don't want a relationship anymore.
So what you try to tell me so you don't want the relationship? After everything I'm do for you, I be ungrateful.
It is not ungrateful, I just don't want it anymore. Understand?
So what you try to tell me so you find somebody new, or see your father go bring in a hype like that?
I don't want that.
So what then?
This is somebody else that I want.
Somebody else, who? The fool you?
Him. No! You know, my father supposed to be Jamaica by now around 3 days ago or 2, not sure.
Yeah, I know.
I don't remember, I think 3 days ago he reached Jamaica or 2 days ago, I'm not sure. But it's something that I tell about from 1 month ago.
Yeah.
When 5 minutes go overseas with him. I think this is the time because he come back out now. And then they tell me, so when you come back out, I'm going to make me go over with you. They see me so. At this time.
So you think you're going to leave her now?
I'm not here.
You think you're going to leave her now?
Most likely. But I'm not today, no. I'm just reach here, so maybe around the next 2 weeks or so come in Wednesday. When you come in, I like, stay too long.
Alright.
Hello? Come in. Arthur!
Hey, Brent. Hey, girl. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Man, you look like Cleopatra.
How
are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Very nice.
month.
Very nice. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, so just came back and I wanna come and see how you're doing. So who's this guy?
So To be honest, my last relationship didn't work out, so I'm with a new person now.
Oh Lord. You know, I'll tell you the truth. I kind of sense that something wasn't right from day one.
Well, he wasn't treating me right. Well, listen, he wasn't treating me right. I lied to you, and I'm very sorry about that. Because you did ask me, I'm telling you everything is okay. Which everything never alright.
I understand. You know, from the first time, I don't know if you remember when I came to the house, and we were going to Burger King to get food. I saw this attitude in him. Again, I asked him if he wanted something to eat, and he said, "No, I'm good, man. I'm good." You know, and so I didn't like that attitude at all. And then I remember after that, when I came to the house after you had moved in, he just walked off. I don't remember where he was going. I think he was going to the beach, or he was going to the pool, or wherever he was going. He had this type of attitude, this mannerism that wasn't so right. I didn't particularly like that at all. And I'm happy for you.
So, Osha.
Hey, young man, how you doing?
Good man, how are you doing, sir?
I am fine, thank you, sir.
I'm David, what's your name?
I am Claude.
Mr. Claude?
Yes.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Yes, I said this to the gentleman she had introduced to me to before.
Right.
And I'm going to say this to you. Please, I'm begging you, take care of my daughter.
Let me take care of my world.
Yes, I want you to take care of my daughter. You see, because one of the things for me, I always see men and women together, and today your man will say, "Oh my goodness, she is the air I breathe," and tomorrow she's by carbon monoxide. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't want for you to do that. If you feel that you cannot handle her, or you believe that the relationship cannot work, just leave her alone.
Yeah.
For God's sake, just leave her alone. Because the truth about it is, she's the only one I have, and I will do anything to protect her.
I understand completely.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah, so if we're going to be on good terms, you're going to have to take care of my baby. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Yes, just like that. But sweetheart, I want to let you know, good news. Your filing has come through.
Well, to be honest, I didn't know so the time I come back and be there, so when I talk to him, I told him, say,
Yes.
I think it's now, and
Yeah, your filing has finally come through, and I'm taking you away from here. So you can always keep in touch with him, and anything that is supposed to be together will always be together. Yeah, you can answer your phone. Yeah.
hello, give me a minute.
So tell me something about your past. What you do?
I do music.
Oh, you do music. Okay, you sing?
Yeah, but I sing.
Oh, okay.
So, what's up with you?
Well, I mean, I take my time. I do what I do. I am the owner of Thai World. ThaiWorld.org. Yeah, so you could go and look at my website www.thaiworld.org.
Yeah.
So what we do basically, we make shirts, we make blazers, we make ties. Yes, it's here. Yeah, so we do ties and stuff like that, and that's just me. My statement with my product is dress how you want to be addressed. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Understand.
Yeah.
I also got the pool, but that's more of a sometime thing now.
Sometimes. Okay.
Yes.
And you just came from the pool? Oh, you look like Clea. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, it's nice. It's very nice to see you. This is my baby. We have lost connection for a while, and
She told me a story, man.
yes, and so now we're back to repair all that we had broken before, and I'm happy if you're still going to be a part of her life, you'll become a beneficiary of anything that she has.
Can't leave, man. Can't see myself without her. Since we need her.
I appreciate that. So tonight is actually our last night here, and she'll be traveling back with me tomorrow.
I believe.
Her ticket is already booked, and our flight is gonna be at 7 p.m. tomorrow. So I wanted to take her out for dinner this evening, and you'd be welcome to come.
Well, I really appreciate it, man.
Yeah, you could come and dine with us, and we get a little chance to know you a little better, and
Alright, well, I really appreciate that.
yes, and we'll certainly keep in touch. Okay.
Alright. All the
Yes. You all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, we'll definitely do that then. So what time I plan to leave? Because we could have a change now if anything.
Yeah, you could get ready so we could go find a restaurant. You have a nice restaurant that you think?
Oh,
Have you
yes.
ever gone to Bolt's restaurant?
Well, I think one time.
One time? Yeah, you want Chinese food?
Sure.
All right. Yeah, get ready so we can leave.
Oh, go on, Hi, young man, what you doing?
Yeah, I'm boss.
Wonderful. I can't believe you treat my daughter like that, man.
General, I'm really sorry. I understand.
Sorry? But I need to
Can you give me another chance, please? I'm really sorry. I can't change it.
Yeah, I mean, that's something that both of you gonna have to try work out some other way. But nevertheless, she introduced me to a gentleman who I presume would love her and appreciate her and respect her.
It was meant to be.
Yeah, I saw this kind of thing in you, man. And, you have to learn. You have to learn to treat women with respect. You know what I'm saying?
Embarrassing, bro.
Yeah. You treated her very, very bad, and as a result of that, she decided she wanted to move on. We're just going to get something to eat, so
People deserve second chance. They're not going to leave me like this.
Stop! No, you can't do that. You can't see me just a little man and I wanna. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
It's just what it is, man. But it was my pleasure meeting you, man.
Okay, consider.
Yeah, and I wish you well. Okay, just take care of yourself, and whatever is to be will be. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Whatever is supposed to be will be. If she is meant to be yours, she'll come back. But if not, you just have to live your life and live it to the best of your ability. Okay?
No, I can't do that in this quality. Let's go.
All right.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. All right.
Oh, close the door. I have a key.
I may have the money.
Yeah.
Here's the lights. Oh, what a nice snack. Oh my. Look at it.
Yeah. All right, guys, come. Let's go.
Go on.
Cute. Hello, no, come back here so I can see you. We don't need them to go over here. Thank you.
Really, oh Lord.